welcome to a new video from Lakshmi Kamath Vlogs. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube journey. Welcome to a new vlog after a long time. Today is 45th day of my postpartum and I'm making a vlog after a long time. So yeah, life lately has been busy with the baby and sleepless nights and broken sleep, no time to sleep. So that's the reason I was hugely inactive. There's a huge gap of with uploading vlogs because I'm not getting time to edit. I shoot and I edit my own videos, so that's what's taking time. Today is 45th day of postpartum, so here I belong to the GSP Konkani community. So here in this community we follow some rituals. On the 45th day of postpartum, till then we observe the Balanthi, that is the woman who delivered, observes Sutak, that is not go to the temple and anywhere outside the house basically. So she's supposed to be confined inside a room with the baby and she's not supposed to step out of the house, not go to temples or not do any religious spiritual activities. So that's how it is. So today is the Shuddhikaran of that, and today we begin the rituals. That is, we worship the Tulsi Ma and we do puja of Tulsi, and then we go to the temple with the baby, and then after this we can go to any place. So yes, let's begin the video. I'll show you what and all we do, and then we'll go to the temple after this ritual. So yes, after this. This ritual is called Baink Appodche. Bai means well. As we don't have well, we will do this ritual with the tap. So the haldi and kumkum is put to the tap water which we collected in a vessel. We'll treat this as a well. So we'll apply haldi and kumkum to that vessel and pour some haldi into it, and then we'll take one chombu of water from that and then go near Tulsi. We take this one tambio of water and we'll first go near the coconut tree. There is a sacred thread which was tied to my neck during the cradling ceremony. I had covered it in the cradling ceremony, naming ceremony video. I leave a link in the I button, you can watch it. So that thread is now put under this coconut tree, and then we apply haldi kumkum to the tree, and then we pour water 5 times to the tree. After praying and taking blessings from the coconut tree, then we go back near to the Tulsi plant, Tulsi Mate, and we apply haldi kumkum here. We pour water and then apply haldi kumkum and keep one flower to Tulsi Mate. This is our Balantira Mai called Lata Nayak. She is assisting me with all this. She was a very sweet lady who took care of me and the baby for next 2 months. And after all this, my Sutak is Shuddhikaran today. So I can now go to the prayer room and pray to God and then go to temple. And it is said that I can go to any function or any event outside the house basically. After this, here we apply haldi kumkum to the God, our Kuldevi, and then keep flowers. the temple. Yeah, so the baby and me and baby's father, baby's grandfather, baby's grandmother, and my all are going to temple. So yes, let's go to temple. Venkatram temple in Udupi. We are going to. After these 45 days of birth of child, the buying cupboards a ritual. We are supposed to go to the temple that day. So here we are going to Venkatram temple Udupi. We are all in the car and we are supposed to go with the baby, the Balanti, that is me, as well as the baby. The buying kapoche ritual is that touching the well and taking blessings from Tulsi Ma and going to the prayer room ritual, which I showed in the earlier part of the video. So that is called buying kapoche ritual in our GSB Konkani community. That is the ritual followed after 45 days of Balanti Parna, that is after the birth of the baby. And we reached Venkatramana temple Udupi. Ammi Baba Tirtha Papule, that is, we sprinkled holy water to the baby from with the Batmam. So God, we prayed to God and sprinkled the holy water to baby. This is called Samanta. Please hit that like button and support me. This was during 125 days of Akhanda Bhajana Sapta in Venkatramana temple. So that is when we had visited the temple. And we were lucky enough to hear the bhajans and felt very divine and very blessed visiting the temple and listening to divine bhajans. This god's idol is Vitoba Rukumai, that you see right now is Vitoba Rukumai idol. We were lucky enough to get the Anna Prasad served at the temple. This is pickle nonche, that is gajbaje, that is chanangashi with kadgi and sheet rice and saru. We reached home. So this was more like taking the child to the temple for the first time, seeking God's blessings, and we were very blessed. It's Sapta that is going on, that is continuous bhajane in Venkatramana Temple, Udupi. 125 days of continuous bhajane is happening. So yeah, Akhanda Bhajana Sapta. And then in the afternoon there is Anna Prasada, that is lunch also. We could take blessings of Vittala, Lord Vittal, Lord Vittala, Venkatramana, and also we got Anna Prasada, we got amazing lunch. It was amazing, very satisfying, very fulfilling. Thanks to God, I'm very blessed, I'm very happy today. And also, yeah, I'm going out after 45 days of house arrest or whatever you want to call it. So, yes, felt good, felt nice. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If yes, please hit that like button. If you're new, please do subscribe. And I hope I can edit and upload the vlog sometime soon. Seeking all your blessings for our baby Gayatri. We named her Gayatri. So our baby girl Gayatri, seeking all your blessings for her. That's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Jai Shri Krishna.